In today's video, we're going to talk about charts. Now, we're going to create a simple pie chart, and we'll go through some of the elements of using charts in Excel. Now, the first thing we're going to do is select a range. Now, I actually want all the last names and the total because that will work well with a pie chart. So I'm going to select B5 to B12, and then I'm going to hold down Control and select the totals. Now that I have my range selected, I'm going to go to the Insert tab. Now on the Insert tab, we're going to look for the Charts group, and we're looking for a pie chart. Now at this point, we're going to choose the 3D pie. So one of the things you'll notice is as soon as I put in the chart, I have two extra tabs at the top of my screen. Now these are contextual tabs, and when you insert objects in Excel, you'll have extra tabs. Now, if you're missing them, it means that you haven't selected the object. So you can see no tabs, tabs, no tabs, tabs. So if you're missing them, just click on the object. Now let's take a look at our chart. Now this is our general chart area. We have a chart title, the chart itself, and on the bottom here we have a legend. Now all of these different chart elements are customizable. Now I'm going to go up to my chart design tab, and we'll look at some of the options we can select with different chart elements. Now, if you want to quickly get a chart out, you might want to use Quick Layout in the Chart Layouts group. Now, when I point my mouse, you'll see it will change and show different chart elements. Now, if I point at Layout 1, you can see there's a percentage there. Now, this is called a data label. We're going to choose Layout 1. And then we're going to move into chart styles. So just like your quick layout, you can have a nice effect and different color schemes, different elements on your chart. Now I'm going to eventually select style 8. Now the last thing we're going to do is change the chart title. So I'm going to click in there and select the title and type in 2021 sales. Now this is not a text box, so you can't adjust the size here. You'll notice the sizing handles don't show up. But if you do want to change it, you can go to the Home tab and then change the font accordingly. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.